same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, just the 7 seas. I deal with life different, make that lemon squeeze. Went off for my style and identity. Better bounce back and get the cheddar cheese. I guess that's why they envy me. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. I got his band like I'm Barry Bonds. Running through the money, but the money's long. I don't love it, but I need it, keep it coming on. Only friendly, me and friends, we don't get along. I put that on my name, that I put them on. I put myself on stage and say sing along. I might book a session, do 100 songs. I'ma let you hear them just to prove you wrong. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going.
No te arriesgo,
Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
Came for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, don't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in.
I'm on my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun, a 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know, 10 toes, never fold, bang roll, on the go, ice wall, ice wall, ice wall.
Came for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in.
I miss my baby, so I hit them on the FaceTime. I need it all for them, so no, I cannot waste time. Facing these oceans, feel the water on my waistline. We trust the process and I only know it takes time. You can get it, got no worries, I'm gon' make mine. Going global, I'ma get it out the state lines. Paying taxes at a more than what you make now. Different bracket, eating off a different plate
Came
now.
for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in.
Yeah. I'm gonna buy that one and that one. All of it. I need it all. Do you want it though? Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought. Yeah, it's not a purse, it's a merch. 6 figures was a goal, now it's 9 or a hearse. Put it work. Used to pull up, not swerve. No time for the snakes, time to put them in the dirt. That's word. I gotta get it, it's in my DNA. You only see the highlights, don't know what it takes. Last year stressing, got no sleep. Now I'm right between the courts, out of nosebleeds. I see the hate, they don't
coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. And through the struggle, I can see another drought. Yeah, same circles to the same gang. We just get to it, we don't gangbang. Lost some friends to the same thing. Keep a low pro when we maintain. Find us in a loss somewhere, kicking back. Find you on computers, type it Twitter facts. You lose a follow, throw a Twitter rant. I lose $1, bet I get it back. Like a boomerang. My girl likes diamonds, big one shining on a ring. I got 3 daughters, you could bet that they gon' get the same. But they got morals, I'll be damned if they sell it for change. They won't sell out a thing. I lose it all, you bet I get it back by any means. I trust in God won't be $1 that can make me change. I got that power, I could get anything. I got that power, I could get anything. Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought. I got an itch in my palm. My girl, she know she the one. I put the ice on her hand. I put some ice on her arm. See me shining in the light. Know you found me in the dark. Talking how you wanna leave. Girl, you made this far. Taking trips overseas. No, I won't be long. We came up from the weeds. Now it's top floor. All these big yes on her wrist. VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. That's me. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. There for my first cake, then we hit 100K. $500,000 on the way, then $1 million on the way. Eating good, full plates, eating good, say grace. Eat her up, get thanks. She got cake birthday. I can't waste no way, I can't waste no play. My girl, whoa, something like the baddest chick. My girl, whoa, came up from the rags to rich. Hit the road running, I had to tell her I had to get it. She understood, but she spoiled, so when she get mad, she dip. All these big yes on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. That's me. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. All these big yes on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. All these big yes on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. Way up. Pick it up, that went way up. Bend that mouse to feed, I pray that check flow stay up. All of my bros, they been my bros, I'm talking day one. Been at boys. Me and my bros do road, new keys, no deal, we been at toys. Been at checks. Me
and my bros trust God on God, I swear we been at next. I've been on go since a kid, 9 guys full of kids. Where I keep winning is sick, keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid, 9 guys full of kids. Where I keep winning is sick, keep making that money flip. Yeah, keep making that money flip. All of my paper legit, all of my outfits legit. Got the game with a tight grip, on trip but don't ever trip. Talking, keep running your lip. Me, I come through in the fourth. Me, I come through in the whip. Been at boys. Me and my bros do roll, no keys, no deal. We been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros just God on God, I swear we been at next. I've been on go since a kid. 9 guys full of kids. Where I keep winning is sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid. 9 guys full of kids. Where I keep winning is sick.
What's going on YouTube? What's going on, guys? Let's mark up gold here. I'll move this here for now. All right, so we've got can just name this swing high because we got this support down here. And we've got a daily support here. Got another one here. Alright, 4 hour. We've got a resistance here. Alright, we've got one up here. I'm gonna do 1 hour. Okay. And we've got a demand here. Look at the 1 hour time frame here. Okay, so we got a 1 hour supply here. Let's have this support here. Alright, let's take a look at the 30-minute. Okay, like this, 1 hour supply here. Okay, so looking at gold right now, I will be looking for sales. So right now we can see that pretty much gold came down aggressively pre-London, and what I'll be looking for right now is for gold to pull back up here, and then we take the sell coming back down. That is what I will be looking for right now. So we are looking for sales. Yeah, the fact that we pretty much got close to this 4 hour resistance So the fact that we did that and we pretty much refused to break above and close above it, it just tells me gold still wants to come down. Now, can we break below 24.73 or break and close below 24.71? Well, I guess we'll find out. So for now, I will be looking for sales. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Gideon. I don't think Wall is here yet.
Oh, I'm here.
Oh,
Hey, morning, Gideon. let's put it over here to the left. So, like I said earlier, we're just waiting for this. This is what we're anticipating. So, hopefully, gold gives us a setup. We didn't get a setup though in Asian session. NY session yesterday, we didn't get one either. But we did get a setup though in London. So, let's see if we're gonna get one today. Hopefully, we do. Trying to move this. Let's just put this to the right. This session sucked yesterday. Yeah, pretty much it did.
Stop focusing.
How many pips did we get here from this drop, Yolanda? I'm 100 plus.
Damn. Doesn't look like 100, but sure.
Yeah. This demand is not really clean. Since this one didn't hold, this didn't hold. Look at it, it sells.
Hey, congrats, kidney.
Yeah, congratulations, look at that. In order for gold to give us a setup, pretty much has to go up. Shit, almost 100 pips again. Man, I don't know if London has that type of volume.
Man, that's gonna suck if we just like range here, create a range in the middle of this whole move.
Yeah. Well, who knows? She might do it.
Nah. I looked at that and I thought, man, there's no way this is going to climb 100 pips. She in London.
I have faith, man.
Man, London's been the one this week.
Yeah. Gideon said, "Power, well, people should have faith."
I've got faith. I have faith. I have faith. I believe.
In Londoners we trust. You were hoping it would get to 24.82 to take buys. 24.82, where's that at? 82, 24.82 exactly, or what? I think this thing is gonna come down all the way to the lows, because it's pretty much created a lower high. With this move, it's definitely created a lower high.
Yeah, Kill the Beat. You were missed yesterday, man. It was chaos. Absolute chaos in the chat.
Yeah. So what we're seeing with gold here is that this high at 25.06 has created a lower high at 24.97. Now, what we don't have yet is that this high hasn't created a lower low yet. It created it previously, which was yesterday, but that was yesterday. Now we're talking about today. Okay, that's what we're talking about. Today, this high has not created a lower low yet. So in order for it to create a new lower low, it has to break and close below the previous low it created, which is below 24.73. Now, this high as 24.97 has now created a low. What we're pretty much waiting for now is this high at 24.97 to create a lower high. Hopefully it's gonna go back all the way back up to this supply to create a lower high, continue to now create a new low if it breaks and closes below this low at 24.83. So that is what we're waiting for. Definitely not looking for buys. Damn, hopefully it's not just gonna create a lower high here. I'm not even gonna look at this as a lower high, because in order for you to really have a nice lower high, price has to push up, has to give you a decent push to the upside. Now it doesn't. If it breaks and closes above the highs, then that's not a lower high. So it has to at least give you a decent push to the upside, even if it's 50% retracement of this move to the downside. So maybe like around here, comes down and break this low. Now you have a lower high. But this right here, at least only 15 minutes. Nah, this ain't a lower high.
King, can I see your 4 hour time frame? Yeah. I don't know if you, but I've marked this out
As supply.
Yeah. So I've dragged it right down.
This candle hasn't closed yet.
Ah, I see. Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah,
Okay.
we don't know
Yeah.
how this 4-hour candle is going to close. So if we do not get it set up by the time this candle closes, then we can use the 4-hour supply.
Ah, okay, that makes sense. Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. There must be a 5 minutes. We really have a 5 minute supply there. No, but around that zone, okay. Even if you take it, if you're looking for buys and you take it even wherever you're looking at, there's a higher chance it's just gonna be a pullback. Pullback to the supplier and then sell continuation. I'd rather wait for the sales. Welcome, Yaslin. Thank you.
I was thinking about. Sorry, King. Go. Sorry.
Buy prediction beforehand. We're gonna rain here. What are you trying to say, Buy?
Yeah, I think we are going to read. No, I was just saying. I think it's funny. It's so easy to get married to a bias. I think, especially with something like gold, where I mean, you hope everything says it should just keep going up. Like every buy, you're hoping it's going to hit the all-time high. It's going to be 3,000. So I think it's just really interesting that the psychology on gold is always. It's got to go up. It has to go up. The US dollar's in the toilet. There's war. It has to come up. But then this shows you that price action just doesn't care. Just never get married to the bias.
Yeah, I feel like
Got to be able to pivot.
The way I'm looking at gold, this monthly candle might close bearish. Next month might even continue bearish until election month. It's gonna be pullbacks in between, and that means this that's gonna be that means 25.32 is gonna be our swing high. We're just gonna keep having lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. If not for news, we could have caught this sale during our session, but couldn't because of news.
It didn't do anything anyway. Stupid news.
Yeah, after that move, after that drop, that was it.
Yeah.
$3.30 to 40 pips can be both ways. Oh, you mean 30 to 40? Yeah, there are times I take pullbacks too. Yes. Currently, we're in a 30-minute demand zone. Yeah. Wait, are we?
I think we're a bit beneath it, I think.
Okay, we pretty much close to it. We're pretty much close to it. Yeah, just waiting to see how it's gonna react there. If he reacts there, there's got enough pip range, got at least 50 pip range at least. So got at least 50 pip range. So if he reacts there, the pullback will make sense. Especially if it creates a minor resistance, it starts breaking it. Pullbacks are very good when you have a minor resistance formed. It rejects the lows again. Take it as it's breaking the highs. It should head all the way back up to the next high before it starts falling again. In this case, since we're talking about pullback buys. Demand around here. You know what, actually? Let's just add it on there because for the new ones. Because looks like some people were confused yesterday with the buys we took. Because I didn't add the 30-minute demand. I know, but I feel like it's not going to reject it, but I could be wrong. If it rejects it, then if it starts breaking the highs, then we'll take the buys.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I was confused about the buys yesterday too. Order filled. What the fuck's going on?
Yeah, you better mute yourselves. Yeah, there was a lot of panic. Whoever that was just kept very quiet as well.
Yeah. I thought it was Jay Smith, but then I looked, I'm like, oh, it's not even here. What the hell?
Yeah, man. Bless him. Unfairly calling him out.
Unfairly calling him out.
Although it would make sense because we made a joke of it during Asian when his thing kept going off.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you were not here during London yesterday, killed a bit. You were busy?
He's in Spain, I think. He's on holiday.
Faye must be having fun in Bali. We haven't seen her this week. Usually she joins us even when she's on vacation.
Too much fun.
Good morning, Samuel.
Yeah, Gabriel, if you're a fan of those wick entries, then that would have been a good one.
So we can. And even if this thing rejects, whew, I don't know what stop loss is gonna be, guys. Right, stop loss might be 70. Yeah. Anyway, you get a 1-to-1 is if we go deep into this supply. But if this demand holds, there's also a chance. There's also a chance that this demand could end up breaking this high, and this is just going to be the higher low of this high. If this 30-minute demand holds. What's the reason? What's that, Edwin? I don't know what you're talking about. If this demand hold, why do I expect? I'm not expecting it to break. What I said was, if this demand holds, right, there's also a chance that this 30-minute demand could break this high. Okay, because once we created this support down here, this support, this was the high it created. So this move to the downside, if it comes back to the 30 and hold, this low right here could be the higher low of this low and this high, and then this low could end up breaking the highs. Could break this high and reject the 4-hour resistance instead, and then continue to the downside. That's why, like, I don't really be having a bias when I'm trading. I just look at price. Look at price, look at structure. Right now on the lower time frame, we are long time bearish. Because since we created a major high, pretty much daily swing high at 25.32, we've been falling ever since. Bearish on the lower time frame, higher time frame still bullish overall. So this buys, sells you guys see here, just ignore it, because we could take buys also. We don't really have bias over here. In my opinion, it's not good to have a bias, because you have a bias, you might think one thing, you say, okay, you know what, my bias, I'm bullish on this pair. And the market will be like, no, you're bullish, I'm not bullish, I'm bearish. And it also confuses you, because your eyes is going to deceive you to keep thinking and keep focusing. Not just your eyes and your mind is going to be so focused on that bias that you had. Because of that, you're gonna ignore everything else. You don't want to do that. If we don't come back to this 30-minute demand, if we don't tap it, we're gonna keep waiting for the sales, guys. If it does not tap that demand, I don't care if this thing start crossing this minor resistance, I'm not taking buys. Love from India, thank you. How you doing, though, Money Trades? Welcome back. Oh, you got a new job. Welcome back. How's it going? And also, this high, you also got to understand that this high, it's going to have to break this low if we're going to continue to the downside. If we fail to break this low, then there's a high chance it could go back up. That's going to mean this high failed to create a new low.
See you in my inbox, but everybody can't come. I worked hard for this, put in hours, got scars from this. No sleep, I just toss and turn, thinking about how hard it get. I've been chilling with my family now, you've been chilling with the party is. Put in reps cause they called my bluff, got one shot to get all these dubs. And we on. Lights on, I'm on. Lights on, I'm on. Love the pressure, I can't let up. Keep my head up, I can't let up. Lights on, I'm on. Lights on, I'm on. Love the pressure, I can't let up. Keep my head up, I can't let up.
It's whack like the last one you left. We just need to raise money for these big challenges, then you're quitting again. Well, make sure you have some money saved though before you do though. This candle has 3 minutes to close. Let's see how it's going to close and if we are actually going to tap the demand. Yep, we tapped it. Well, we needed to close bearish. If we tap this on futures. Okay, we did. Okay, even the previous candle tapped it on futures. See, wow.
Oh yeah, I already saw it, but I wasn't interested. Not with the way it looks on the Forex charts, like nah.
We just tapped it on Forex, just kissed it. Okay. Flip bullish, but I do like the fact that we tapped it on future, so we'll see what happens there. If we're gonna break the lows. Mm. Good is afraid of 30-minute high voltage holding above. If we trade in 30-minute demand zone, we should consider the 30-minute candle closure. Nope. If we start crossing this minor resistance up here, I'm taking it. Whether the 30-minute has closed or not. I'm using the one hour demand or supply zone does not mean I have to wait for a 1 hour candle closure. That's false. But if that's what you do, then that's fine. That's not what I do. Can it be a buy if it breaks highs from here? Oh, are you talking about this previous bullish candle? Is that what you're talking about, Kilderbit? Possibly. But I'm gonna wait until we start breaking this one. What kind of entry, Edwin? The one kid Abed is talking about, it's pretty much gonna be a 5 minute. You got 2 entries on a 5 now. This and this.
Looking at the 5, the break of the higher one is better.
Yeah. Safer. Do I think enter gold at 2383.80 is solid for sales? 2383.
That's like right here.
Huh?
No. It's... Oh, 23?
Yeah, it says 23. 23?
Jesus.
What? That's all the way down.
Surely it's 24.83.
That must be what he's talking about. Wait, you want to enter sale at 24.83? With all this? Hey. Do you? The mistake you made with your previous job was not saving enough. Saving enough to be able to survive the first few months without an income. I thought it was going to take money off the markets immediately. Oh yeah, you don't want to think like that. You got to make sure the money is coming in first from trading. Yeah, you're going to have to do some more back testing with that, and then actually not even back testing, just freaking go live with a small account and try it. Because back testing it is not really going to give you that confidence. $24.83 for sale. Hey, if you want to sell there, sell.
You first.
You say you first.
Yeah, you first. You go first. Are you looking for buys or sells? It's the use of capitals that gets me. So aggressive.
You'll find out soon enough, Sally.
Oh, kill to be had enough. Oh man, volume sucks.
Welcome to London session. if we do start breaking these highs, those of you that trade futures, entry is going to be at 2520.0.
Giving it a little bit of breathing room there.
Yeah. On Forex, it should pretty much be around here. We're sitting right at daily support. Yeah. Wait, are we? Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, we are. Please, buy or sell. I know you're trolling, Alex.
Please, sir. Please.
Don't worry, kill the beat. I got this one. I'm gonna ban this guy right now.
Ooh, Alex.
Oh, come on, guys. 186 watching. Come on, man. We can get at least 100 likes.
Thanks, go to trade. And why am I seeing 68 likes? Sleepy London.
Racist. Surrounded by racists.
Since the issue with since Brexit freaking started, gold is like, okay, I'm not messing with London session anymore. I'm switching to Asian session. Oh, okay. Coming down.
Can she hold?
Mm. 15 minutes. It's not the best. Might as well come down to this support. And if it comes down to the support and reject, I'm not interested in taking the buys. I won't be taking it.
Who did it? I had an entry.
Well, it's either Joe or Matthew.
Speak now or hold your peace.
So 15 minutes still touched that. I'm gonna watch this on the 5.
Walchick buys. Oh, you did, didn't you?
No,
You
I
naughty boy.
definitely did not.
Yeah.
On the 5 minute, 2517.6. Zach, we are going to be using your aim trick a little bit, because now I am willing to use it. Still gonna be the same 70 pips stop loss if we do get there.
Double like double up. Yeah. Double like double up. The money I color up. Color. Double like double up. The money I color. Color. 2 turns of 4 turns of 8. Sleep and get paid. Rich when I wait. I bet the bank. I set the pace. Guess what I make? That's what I make. Counting pockets, that's a trending topic. You got this and you got that, but got no spending options. I keep quiet, but still get it rocking. I keep quiet with it in my pocket. I keep quiet, moving stuff for silent. Double like double up. The money I color. Double like double up. The money I color. I swear God been blessing me. You think you been testing me? Don't mean lemons, watch lemon squeeze. Pieces been my recipe. You buy watch and bust them down. Mine is my investment piece. Heard your mix is drowning out. You need to call Trevor, please. I don't fold, I don't fear. Pearly whites, no veneers. Keep it clean, check it's clear. Water clear, P is clear. See the light, you go dear. See the light, I go near. Let me shine, watch me shine. I'ma shine, vision clear. Double like double up. The money I color. Double like double up. The money I color.
To see what this candle is going to do.
Omar, I think asked that quite a bit. We did that to death yesterday, man. I think everyone knows what's going on there, so probably best just not to leave it now.
This candle on futures is already touching the 15-minute demand on futures. Yeah, I believe this right here should hold. Yeah, we should continue to the upside from here. Like this.
What time are you doing the stuff for your mother, Jer? What?
Oh.
Geraldine, I just fuck.
You thought it was spying. Okay. 2516.6 futures. was going to be. Is 60. Well, take a vote for me, please, real quick. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick.
Yep. Oh man, someone else got banned. Jeez.
Yeah, man, we missed. He would have been banning like crazy yesterday.
Man, Edwin, why are you so racist? They sound nothing alike.
So, can't believe the racism, man. Say no to racism. I love Edwin, man. He comes out with some funny stuff. My favourite was still when I think Debbie just joined the Zoom, and we're like, "Welcome, Debbie." Well, she was talking away, and Edwin just went, "Man, how old is Debbie?" Oh, it's so funny.
Do you expect yesterday's lows to be taken out today? Yesterday's lows. We got news today during New York, so it's probably dependent on that.
I would not be surprised if we just keep trickling down. But there is a lot of traffic on the left to get through, so I don't know.
Thanks, Lucian.
I don't know. I'm just gonna hit buy and sell and see what happens.
does look like it's just gonna slowly trickle down.
Yeah.
But I would expect that low not to get taken out by London session with no news or anything.
Not with this volume.
Yeah. Yeah, it definitely could, Gideon. Like if it just trickles like this, gets down to that daily low, then news comes out, you just blast straight up because, man, you guys know when we see this shitty price action, right? It's like just very overlapping candles. They love to just rip it straight through with one giant candle. Sell timber in effect.
Nah. Yeah, forget the buys, guys. This ain't looking good for buys from here. Nah. Nope. Had his chances to push up. No.
There's been times where we've taken a setup similar to this during New York and it never works out.
Especially looking at this on the 5, every chances it's had, it just keeps breaking the lows. So
yeah. Except the trade works out for Pi because he dips, you know, fucking leaves us holding the bag.
What? Who dipped? When did I dip?
Yeah, you dip. You always dip.
I like to pip and dip.
It's supposed to be 20 pips and dip. Okay. The way it stands right now for buys, I'm gonna need this. Bam. And then I'm gonna jump in buys. We already know it's damn near impossible for gold to give you 100 pips pullback to this supply help here. During London session at least. 2 years ago, yeah, possibly. Oh man. Five minutes out.
Big spike incoming. No? Oh, I see a giant sell order. Or no, a buy order. So I'd assume they'd smash it.
They smashed it already?
No. They got right near it and they're like, nope, not gonna take it.
Oh man.
Guild Beat said, I saw sellers when I sold, and I saw fear when I went BE early.
I don't know. I feel like when you go B early, just for me, it's like you didn't have faith in that trade in the first place. Except like after you took the trade and then price just started to range and range and range and range and range. If you go B at that point, then that's understandable, because if you're in sell, price could either continue to the downside after ranging, or it could go the other way. That's why when I take a trade and then it just starts ranging, I hate it, because anything can happen at that point. Yeah, I'm really hoping we get one here. Sell set up here on the 15 minute. We could fill up this wick to the left to 2470. Pretty much a daily wick fill. I'm gonna add this 5 minute supply here as well.
Don't care for designer, got her own drip. Don't care for the phones, got her own for the scene, take her own trip. Guarantee it's for a bag and she walking. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Sweet Jesus.
September in effect, man, that's so cool. September. I guess that's why we are falling now.
I did hear they said it's like seasonally weak for indices. Not sure about gold.
Yeah. You heard that too, Edwin? Yeah, there's a chance. There's a high chance. I think I said it earlier. This month could close bearish. And I really don't think we're even gonna come back to this resistance. Pretty much up to around 2,500. I don't think we're gonna see 2,500 this month. Something else. Come on, man. You've not given any decent pullback. Just give it this time before you break the lows. We know you want to break the lows, so just give it decent pullback. Yeah, even if it's 1 15-minute candle. Ship the work to the label back when the bars were bland. Man, of my word, though I follow through on prior engagement. The tip of my tongue not far from the innovation. Now it's mine for the taking. Tell the people mistaking me for somebody to toy with the plug the ox to play me. Time was German 40 went up. Did you take it, Gambino? Those days it was less about the bread that we obtained. No other way to slice it. I was scraping by on crumbs, but I love the feeling the odds against me. Could it tell me that I wouldn't get it? I wanted plenty. I was quick to defend me. Feeling surrounded by angels, demons on rare occasion. Trying to shake the momentum. Soon as I find a cadence, leave it all on the record. If it's my only reference, shocked how the bar's been electric. You could tell that they felt it. Pushing the weight of the world while they sound all the frail shit. Forcing the fame in my favor. Kick back and watch the scale tip. More than just all in a day. Spend time with the struggle. I know it too well. We gone separate ways. See, my biggest fear is to change. If I lose it, then reunite. Will I break the promise to stay the same?
Lie to me, tell me that you'll be there for me. 'Cause things been feeling crazy lately.
You took a small position. Okay, nice. Man, we got news today again, though, in New York. For this 2 hours after LY open. Stuck to the rail, my word been buying yours artificial. You frequent with the slipper. Used to love this shit more like this was all that I needed. Travel the edge of the world and mix the pleasure with business. Took my time on it, won't benefit from overdue revision. Learned through they lackluster love is rooted deep in the evil. Won't tread water lightly, the waves intimidate them. Won't lend my hand much too often. I set the expectation. Now I navigated dolo, unclear on praises you gave. When there's the finest line between jealousy signs of your vibration. This one's for them calling me crazy. More for the ones that told them pay me no mind. Those were the words that shaped me. Well rounded it would appear that I pieced it all together. Standing here puzzled at the way we built up the foundation. This one's for the brodies, I got us. Get 50-50, keep it some of 100. Make do what life has got us. Let go of wait and put faith in the process. Make the most of it. I'll be God as the time we allotted. Call it how I see it, provide our witness statement. The way things been gone, I'm all in on the table. They made the plan for their night, I made the long-term arrangement. To take it up to a peak that we no longer afraid of.
just wanna be your everything. 'Cause that's who you are to me. Lie to me, tell me that you'll be there for me. 'Cause things been feeling crazy lately.
When I was learning supply and demand, man, it took me a while to really adjust to the patience required to trade it. Because, man, it requires more patience compared to breakouts. Yes, Edwin, I'm keen on sales.
When Edwin says, okay, that's like when Abe says, that's very interesting.
Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing. Favorite season, sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing. Favorite season. They say, Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. Racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the cheese, put the lights up. 'Tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this. Y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing. Favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing. Favorite season. They said, Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah.
I'm no longer doing 3K to 100K challenge. No, I'm still doing it on futures, not Forex.
I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, Nick, what you got up in that bag.
I've actually got my investment back.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
I've withdrew my 3K back, and anything I make from here on out, it's all profits. I know, man. Why can't you just give us a setup, man? these two supplies were a chance to get in the sell, but looks like we won't be getting it. What do I think is the difference between support and resistance and supply and demand? I'll say they're similar. It's not really a big difference. It's similar. Because there will be times where when you have a support, that support zone, there will also be a demand zone sitting right there, depending on the time frame. Same thing with supply. Just like right with this support here. You know, you got a demand right here, and what the hell? And this resistance that we have up here, you have a supply sitting there too. They're pretty similar.
I think the biggest difference is once support gets broken, that means they failed and now we got a change of, trend. But let's say you look at demand, right? You could be like, okay, well, we have demand there, and then demand holds up, buyers step back in, continue trend. But then if you're looking for support, you're looking like down there and you'd never get your entry.
Yeah. Yeah, but there's also a support there, minor support. So you got your major 2473. On the higher time frame, this is not really a major, but here on the 15-minute, it is a major zone. Why is this a major zone? It's the major zone because this is the low that created this high, pretty much where this supply is. So all this support here, support here, support here, all these are minor supports.
Yeah. That's why I think supply and demand is better for actual trading because, you buy it in demand, you sell it at supply, while resistances and supports are more like, that's your last line of defense before the structure of the market changes, kind of thing.
Yeah, pretty much. And speaking of major lows here, if we go to the 4-hour, in this range between 2532 and 2470, on the 4-hour you got your major support, you got your major resistance. All these supports here are nothing but minor lows. So once 2470.91 breaks, you gotta look for sales. And was it yesterday when I was talking about really anticipating that we're gonna see buys from this 4-hour demand, possibly because we failed to complete this gap fill here to the left?
Yeah. I think you've been talking about that last week.
Yeah. And even the buys is just gonna be pullback buys for another sell continuation.
I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Ballin'. From the first whistle, we go all in. And one. Numbers up and never falling.
plan and I stayed out the way. Now we're spending no money, never touching the bank. Just from me the game and I'ma get it done. Don't do it for fame, do it for the ones. Ace with cigar, might damage my lungs. Wife, you want the drive, she get what I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tinted. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4 or 5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin'. From the first whistle, we go all in. And one. Callin'. Numbers up and never falling. My baby called me and said she need to stay. Beef for well, 25 they other type of kid. Stop playing with me, you know that you here to stay. Stop playing with me, I'll be back home in 8. Know I'm on the go, but I'm not over you. Maybe far from home, but I'm still close to you. Gotta get that back like I'm supposed to do. Had to rush, hurry up, cause I'm overdue. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tinted. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4 or 5 on the west side. But I'm from the east side, this how we slide. This how we ride, yeah, this how we ride.
I'm trying to touch the states this time. 2021. Gotta show him I can still rap though.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again. Outside says chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma make, keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8-day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move my family way out. With some 20s, 50s, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, zillions. I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon. I been winning, I'm like, why me? I heard these labels wanna buy me. I don't need you, boo, I style me. I roll G's and they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Who am I to blame? Money made me change. Cardi in my ring when I'm switching lanes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Now I got a buck for all those rainy days. Ain't have a day off in like 80 days. I got hustles in like 80 ways. Kids if he won't take a lazy day. Wifey on me told me take a break. I keep going to the paper street. Then it's trips out to Montego Bay. If I take the job, bet I get it done. I said it before, I'm a 101. I just caught some ones, only wearing ones. Fornicate the funds, money made me calm. Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
Oh, man.
Sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right more than I've been wrong, and it still can't hurt me. No, it just can't hurt me. No. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, no, no. I know it's hard to be polite, and it's easy being petty. My mama used to tell me, gotta use you when he ready. Man, it's crazy how my brother said it could have been my cell. It's either prison or a grave, that's what everybody tell me. Man, life ain't a beach, it's a female dog. I'm staying 10 toes down low, I still might fall. Oh yeah, now I done came through, knocking pictures off you walls. Cause loving people who persecute you, it's still a tough. So be a light up on my path and a lamp under my feet. I know my faith's strong, but my flesh still kinda weak. When that
buy gold, it's on a daily support. Good luck to you, Akaman. You can buy it. You can go first. It's definitely have volume though. That's not giving us setup. Yeah, it's gone. At this point, we just gotta wait for a break of structure. Man, if it breaks, man, I don't want it to just keep falling to before our demand.
You stare into my eyes and it makes you wonder, is she the one I'll take home? I stare right back at yours and it makes me wonder, why is he here all alone? I love going out to where the music's too loud and where the people surround me. Yeah, here's my best advice, just let me stay in this vibe and never think that you owe me.
Damn, all we needed was for this thing to just pull back here before falling. She refused to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll be out now. Came down 30 plus pips. Yeah, this kind of has no top work.
It's getting late, but I'm only getting started. And now they're playing my song. You look at me and think, damn, she's broken hearted. But you could not be.
We'll see what happens when forward candle doesn't close on Forex.com until 5 o'clock.
Here's my best advice, just let me stay in this vibe and never think that you owe me. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not
We're in for a long one today. It's looking like it.
holding your hand, but that is all I can stand. I'm not your baby, no. You're not gonna get what you came here for. I'm leaving as soon as you ask for more. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby.
Knowing that you're not my baby, but I think maybe you'll reconsider. When I pull up in that brand new thing with the iced out chain and the new chinchilla. And you aim for the heart when you walked on the floor, you a rude gal, Batman killer. But you ain't never did with the boys in the band, with the bands and the bops like Dilla. Love it when you heal up, will up, bring it back, come rewind. Touch to have your ex-man back on your line. But I'm a real
Any chance good and USL moving the same? No.
so it's best I let
No, absolutely not.
Cause I ain't even gotta be your man, bitch, I can still leave you.
Man, they're completely unrelated.
Boy, and you can move it up close, but
30-minute candle closes in 8 minutes. Shit, everything closes in 8 minutes.
The stream closes in 8 minutes. See you later, guys.
I'll wait 1 more hour. How's US steady doing? Ah.
Wait, is that the demand from yesterday that you drew up?
Yeah.
Holy shit. See, Edwin? Fucking got there.
Yeah, it's pretty close. It's pretty close. And even if it comes down to this 4-hour demand, you're gonna have to wait for a break of structure. Place this one at 49.13. So it comes down to this 4-hour demand, reject. Gonna have to wait for this for 49.13.5 to break, pull back to level of demand, and then you can take the buys. And you're taking the buys here, you're just taking it off of a minor BOS. You could get back up here, reject, and continue to the downside. That 4-hour candle looks insane. Yeah, it does. All the way down.
God damn you, gold.
There's only a setup on the 5-minute. 15 minutes, nothing.
Oh, it just took out the huge order. Holy shit, that was 700 lots. My god.
From the 4-hour candle?
No, just from that, the big orders that was over there.
Oh.
My god.
Damn, I'm hungry. Why the hell am I hungry? I ate last night.
When we talk about not married to your bias, isn't that what we see here? What I see here? Why you did not enter when it broke the low?
Why didn't I enter when it broke the low, Medina? You see that I trade supply and demand, right? There you go. I didn't enter because it did not retrace back to my zone. It's that simple. Whatever position I'm looking for, whether I'm looking for buys or sells, if price does not retrace back to my demand or my supply zone, I'm not taking it. Even if it keeps going the direction I was looking for, I'm not going to take it until it taps my zone. Don't worry, eventually you'll realize that that's how you need to trade. If you're a breakout trader, if price does not break out, are you going to take the trade? No, you're not going to take it. If you're a break and retest trader, if you do not get the break and retest set up, are you going to take the trade? No. And if you do take the trade, that's definitely FOMO. And I don't FOMO.
You don't FOMO, that's why you're not making the big bucks, Abe. You should FOMO that shit.
No setup, no trade. Simple.
I was even thinking about selling it like around this area where Kildebeat was looking, where Kildebeat took his sell. But I was like, man, I'm selling the lows. I don't want to sell the lows. I need that retracement.
It's nice on the it's decent on a 5 minute, but it would have been much more better if this minor resistance on the 5 actually closed below the support it created at 2483, but it did not. Even if I was trading the 5 minute looking for a sell setup on the 5 minute, I wouldn't have taken this either. Now if this high closed below this low, oh yeah, for sure, I'll be willing to take this out there. Come on, break 2470.91 before this candle close. Come on, just spike down. Come on, do it. Nah, it ain't gonna do it. Okay. Now that supply here. Delete that. 2470.91. We need it to break and close below. Then hopefully we'll get a pullback then. But man, we get it set up in an hour though. Yeah, pull back down. Just pull back now. You're at the 4-hour support. It's gonna be a new 4-hour candle. Oh no wonder. 4-hour candle on Forex.com doesn't close until an hour from now. You're a breakout and a reversal trader. You look it on the 5 minute. Oh, okay. Am I looking for sales? Yes, please. let's go ahead and use this 30 minutes. Wow, please take over for me, please. Man, I gotta fix me something to eat real quick.
Yep.
Just gotta put it in the microwave.
Are you looking for sells? Well, you can kind of tell by the look of the chart how all the supply zones are marked out. And you deposited $5,000. How much should you risk? This is pretty basic stuff that you should probably know yourself, you know? Risk, depending on how experienced you are at trading, like what's your win rate, what's your, you know, risk to reward per trade, and then calculate it. But, you know, if you're experienced, you can risk higher percentage. If you're not, 1 to 2%. Okay, Kill the Beat says if you gotta ask, risk 0.5%. And if $5,000 is a lot of money to you, yeah, you should probably risk 0.5%. Until you actually like prove to yourself that you can be profitable.
I got a itch in my palm. My girl, she know she the one. I put the ice on her hand. I put some ice on her arm. See me shining in the light. Know you found me in the dark. Talking how you wanna leave. Girl, you made this far. Taking trips overseas. No, I won't be long. We came up from the weeds. Now it's top floor. All these big gets on her wrist. VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. That's me. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. There for my first cake, then we hit on a cake. $500,000 on the way, then $1 million on the way. Eating good, full plates, eating good, say grace. Eat her up, get thanks. She got cake birthday. I can't waste no way, I can't waste no play. My girl, whoa, something like the baddest chick. My girl, whoa, came up from the rags to rich. Hit the road running, I had to tell her I had to get it. She understood, but she spoiled, so when she get mad, she dip. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. That's me. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend.
No fui el primero, ni seré el último, pero sé que lo gozaré. Para serte sincero, un Dios el que te enseñó lo que puedes hacer con mi piel. Baby, si se nos da, será lo que será, los dos vamos a matar, toda esa curiosidad. Baby, si se nos da, será lo que será, los dos vamos a matar, toda esa curiosidad.
Alright, I'm still here, guys. Just gonna turn my camera off for a few minutes. Gotta eat. King of patience, much respect, thank you. I had few breaths. Why, you have two Zoom accounts?
Oh, they might not be able to hear you. You sound super quiet.
Oh, I was asking Pi if he has two Zoom accounts.
Maybe one's his phone and one's his computer.
Maybe.
We go forever now. We go forever now. You know that I'm at your side. You wish that you can do better. No, no, won't let up. We go forever now. I go and create the pressure. You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do better. I know that I can do better. I'm so in love with the chatter. I'm so in love with my little boo. It was written like a letter. Think I was born with the juice. Think I was born with the sauce. Think I was born a little crazy. Then I turned out to a boss. Gotta go and get it. I keep running up the digits. Lost my mind, I gotta fix it. Kill the beat, cold killing. Need to change the way I'm living. Never sleeping, I'm tripping. This is forever and ever. We live forever and ever, yeah. We go forever and ever. You know that I'm at your side. You wish that you can do better. No, no, won't let up. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do better. Yeah. Ooh. We go forever now. We go forever now. Yeah. Ooh. We go forever now. We go forever now. Real hustlers don't sleep. Cat naps all week. On a mission for the green. I've been at it since a teen. No pillow talk, no tea. Out the way, keep it cheap. Shawty told me she a freak. Wap, wap, straight E. We go forever now. You know that I'm at your side. You wish that you can do better. No, no, won't let up. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do better. We go forever and ever. You know that I'm at your side. You wish that you can do better. No, no, won't let up. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do better. Ooh. We go forever now. We go forever now. Ooh. We go forever now. We go forever now. I wake up, I go ball, I go hard with my dogs, bet it all. What's the call? Need a 10, never fall. Polo socks, polo jaws, keep it 10. Beat the odds, hit my line. What you want? I pick up, get it all. Love when the celly gon' ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheet. I get to it up in my sleep. Shorts had chain when the money came. Money bang him, get money back. Need a money counter for the money, ayy. No, I need you, so don't you run away. Mathematics act like a nerd. I be counting 30 by the third. Drop top doors go vert. SRT go skirt. Lately like a bub and sin. I handle the business, then I get love in Europe even. Ball so hard I used to play. I'm never giving up. You roll like a semi-truck. Say what I'm saying, yeah, you're a parrot, Yankee on my head, I guess that I think that I'm Derek, Love when the celly gon' ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheet. I get to it up in my sleep. Love when the celly gon' ring. 2 iPhones on me. I'm booking plays all week. I don't do skins on skis. Next year, change for my team. Keep a couple blues in my jeans. Keep a couple cars, no leans. Had to kick the cup, no fee. I could never take a hand out. I could never leave my man down. Yeah, 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 stand out. Plan A, this is planned out. Been smooth like grease. Been smooth John T. never lie through my teeth. Why? What you get is what you see. Why? New fit, that's neat. Yeah, for the green like a leaf, for the green like a reef. Don't trip, don't reach. Get rich, don't speak. Yeah. Love when the celly gon' ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheep. I get to it up in my sleep. On my own, no fixer. I'm gon' ball, no picker. That I ate those, they live for. Talking on my back, go figure. Whole team eats fun spitter. Never was the one to go flicker. No face, no case, no picture. For place, big stakes, my dinner. Flip that, Canal Street, flip back. Last week, old money, this week, new racks. Never buy non-mark. If I can't afford to gift wrap, stunning in your foreign car. You keep riding rental tax. Heard you rollie as a lean, we are not the same. Couple thousand in my pocket, this pocket chip. Rubber bands on my arm, this is not for play. I put 20 on the crib, while you cop a chain. I know they hated or love it. You know I love when they hate it. Last year was living basic. Haters on the other side. 3 up, read between the lines. Know I got some mainers with me. Made it through some evil time. Late night on some demon time. Pour the Sprite, I need a line. I can't lock it, see the line. Freeze time. Brainstorm, you can assume with your chains on. I can see no with the lights off. Cap, you been the main one. Coolin' when I got my mains on. Show money, but those aren't the same ones. I been told you that it was game on. Been winning since I was on game one. Go. Telling me how to live like you made me. Going dumb and I blame you made me. Money longer than a grown-up baby. Scat crazy in new Mercedes. Thinking that's 550. 5 seats, 50 kids in there. Prime steak on my dinner plate. Nike tag for the dinner wear. Flex up, never playing dress up. Never gonna let up. Never ever set up. Play on my fam, get wet up. Go, won't let up. Never ever. Haters on the other side. 3 up, read between the lines. Know I got some mainers with me. Made it through some evil time. Late night on some demon time. Pour the Sprite, I need a line. I can't lock it, see the line. Freeze time. I got it on me right now. I mean, a strong point that it is. Pull up. We gon' do that. Pull up. Say pull up. Run it back. Say pull up. I said pull up. Wham. Say pull up. Wham. Say pull up. Yeah. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Yeah, we get to it, got it stocked up. Popped up, got her hand all rocked up. Like 1 carat, 2 carat, more carats. She look carrots like a bunny, got her hops up. Don't care for designer, got her own drip. Don't care for the phones, got her own whip. Don't care for the scene, take her own trip. Guarantee it's for a bag and she walking. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Sweet Jesus, I just up the price for the features. I can see the fakes and the leeches. I begin to assist a fetus. Pull up at the spot, tire squeal. Got her in my passenger, I told her grab the wheel. Friends hating, told her get out, Jordan Peele. But she rocks with me cause she real, for real. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bad
No, we're still here. Yeah, what a nice session. Stare at charts, professional chart watchers.
Alright, I'm back. Damn, I think I had too much.
Yeah, setting alerts on your charts is good.
Who said London got no volume? Now she's punishing us by not giving the setup. I mean, she gave us one yesterday. If Good really wanted to give a supply and demand setup, a supply setup, the moment it closed below this low, that was when he would have given it. And it came down, closed below this low, I've just given the setup right there, continue to the downside. Could have used this 5 minute, but it's not quite demand on the 5. Da, da, da. Is there a consistency rule for live combines? What prop firm are you talking about? Top step, yes, there is.
All these opportunities were just across the bridge. The world was more than twice the size, and now I was a kid. Traded in the comfort zone for life, I'm on the edge. I was gaining on my dreams, holding tightly to the pledge to myself. Was quick to move, was waist deep in the sand. We were starving to beat off all the seeds that we planted. Somewhere back a couple of years in the attic, I almost just a plan. To ship the work to the label back when the bars were bland. Man, on my word, though I follow through on prior engagement. The tip of my tongue not far from the innovation. Now it's mine.
You're welcome.
Tell the people mistaking me for somebody to toy with the plug, the ox to play me. Time was paralyzed, I felt the strain to stretch my lungs. Confidence depleted, right along with all the funds. Those days it was less about the bread that we obtained. No other way to slice it, I was scraping by on crumbs, but I loved the feeling the odds against me. Could it tell me that I wouldn't get it? I wanted plenty. I was quick to defend me. Feeling surrounded by angels, demons on rare occasion. Trying to shake the momentum. Soon as I find a cadence, leave it all on the record. If it's my only reference, shocked how the bars been electric. You could tell that they felt it. Pushing the weight of the world while they sound all the frail shit. Forcing the fame in my favor, kick back and watch the skeleton. More than just all in a day. Spend time with the struggle, I know it too well. We going separate ways. See, my biggest fear is to change. If I lose it, then reunite. Will I break the promise to stay the same?
Lie to me, tell me that you'll be there for me. Cause things been feeling crazy lately. Feeling so crazy. And I don't wanna seem lonely.
This exactly looks like US 30 set up yesterday. That continued to the downside.
Stuck in a place secluded deep in my mind. I'm looking out through the lens. Was in a rush to become who who I am. Looking back, then I realized that I do it again. All these unfamiliar faces fade from existence. Back with impeccable time, and I've been forgiven, but I'm never forgetful. I kept it solid and simple, stuck to the rail. My word been a bind, yours artificial. You frequent with the slip up. Used to love this shit more like.
Wait, did you say did it break the resistance yesterday? No, it didn't. This was the one you were talking about. It didn't break the resistance. You're talking about the bullish candle then, because this was the resistance it created. Yeah. Yeah, for this one, I already looked at the 5 earlier, just to see if we had a 5-minute demand here, but we didn't.
Feeling crazy lately, feeling so crazy, and I don't wanna seem lonely, 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 but I don't wanna be lonely, no, no.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got her.
Come on, 5 minutes. Get up there.
Chosen, snow is falling, Elfie's calling, check my list twice, most of y'all done, sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season, sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah, I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, put the lights up. 'Tis the season. Me no Grinch types, no Ebenezer.
Oh, he took it by Isaac in there. Huh. That's interesting to see. For now, I'm still looking for sales out there.
Racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag? I got racks in my sack, hurt my back. Merry Christmas, everybody.
I need a bullish candle to actually reject this supply. Hmm. 15 minutes, 15 minutes is a massive candle.
to LA with it. NY to LA with it. I like getting money, I got time to get it.
Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead, make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin', from the first whistle we go all in. And one, call it. Numbers up and never falling. Feel like I hit the lottery and proud of me, yeah. No babe proud of me, so I throw pride away. She know I stuck to the plan and I stayed out the way. Never spending no money, never touching the bank. Just from me the game and I'ma get it done. Don't do it for fame, do it for the ones. Ace with cigar, my damage, my lungs. If you want to drive, she get what she want. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead, make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin', from the first so we go all in. And one, call it. Numbers up and never falling. My baby called me and said she need to stay. Beef for well, 25 the other type of kid. Stop playing with me, you know that you here to stay. Stop playing with me, I'll be back home in 8. Know I'm on the go, but I'm not over you. Maybe you far from home, but I'm so close to you. Get that bag like I'm supposed to do. Had to rush, hurry up, cause I'm overdue. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride.
I'm trying to touch the States this time. 2021. Gotta show him I can still rap though.
Does this kind of need to close the illusion of that to make the set valid? Right, yes. The previous candle was enough, but looks like we want to go higher here, which is good as well. But man, we've been here for a while now. For what? Close to 3 hours.
I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon. I've been winning, I'm like, why me? I heard these labels wanna buy me. I don't need you, boo, I style me. I roll G's and they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Who am I to blame? Money made me change. Cardi in my ring when I'm switching lanes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Now I got a buck for all those rainy days. Ain't have a day off in like 80 days. I got hustles in like 80 ways. Kids if you won't take a lazy day.
If we close above 2481.76, it's up to the next two supplies above. Give me some water real quick.
Sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right more than I've been wrong, and it still can't hurt me. I'm staying 10 toes down, though I still might fall. Oh yeah, now I done came through, knocking pieces off you all. Cause loving people who persecute you is still a tough be a light up on my path and a lamp under my feet. I know my faith strong, but my flesh still kinda weak. When that victory be looking like the verge of defeat, and I feel like disrespect, help me turn my other cheek and say sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right more than I've been wrong, and it still can't hurt me. No, it just can't hurt me. No. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, no, no. No, you just can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No. See, it's hard to be polite. It's easy being petty. Mama used to tell me, gotta use you when you're ready. Cause I ain't working on my own timing. Ain't got no diamonds on me, but I stay shining. Yeah, yeah. They say the world would be a better place if we take out the hate. Stop all the hate right now. Yeah. Let's keep it real. It'd be better if we just subtract the fake. Yeah. So be a light up on my path and a lamp under my feet. I know my faith strong, but my flesh still kinda weak. When that victory be looking like the verge of defeat, and I feel like disrespect, help me turn my other cheek and say sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me.
I would have taken this possible pullback buys if we had a nice 5-minute demand right here. I would have taken it as soon as it started breaking this minor high. Well, it's up to the next supply now. If it's gonna get there.
You stare into my eyes and it makes you wonder, is she the one I'll take home? I stare right back at yours and it makes me wonder, why is he here all alone?
1 hour supply. No.
Just let me stay in this vibe and never think that you owe me. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby. I might be up for a dance, I might be holding your hand, but that is all I can stand. I'm not your baby, no. You're not gonna get what you came here for. I'm leaving as soon as you ask for more. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes.
Man, you should see how the futures is moving so fast.
It's getting late, but I'm only getting started. And now they're playing my song. You look at me and think, damn, she's broken hearted. But you could not be more wrong. I love going out to where the music's too loud and where the people surround me. Yeah, here's my best advice. Just let me stay in this vibe and never think that you owe me. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby. I might be up for a dance, I might be holding your hand, but that is all I can stand. I'm not your baby, no. You're not gonna get what you came here for. I'm leaving as soon as you ask for more. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby.
Knowing that you're not my baby, but I think maybe you reconsider. When I pull up in that brand new thing with the iced out chain.
If this supply holds, the plus is gonna be 40 pips.
Love it when you heal up, will up, bring it back, come rewind. Touch, I have your X-Men back back on your line. But I'm a real player, never act
Yeah,
like
this
you're mine.
move to the upside is insane, though.
I see it all the time, so it's best I let my one dance go to the next man. Cause I ain't even gotta be your man. Bet you I can still leave here as the best man. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby. I might be up for a dance. I might be holding your hand, but that is all I can stand. I'm not your baby, no. You're not gonna get what you came here for. I'm leaving as soon as you ask for more. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby.
This session is don't fight whatever trend that begins, just go with it, but that is not a strategy. I seen this on a 5 when I looked at a 5 minute earlier, but I didn't want to take it because there was really no clean demand right here to the left. If not, I would have taken a buys as soon as it started breaking these highs, because I had enough pip range to just get my 20 pips and get out. Wow, do you see any crazy order on the dump for this move to the upside?
No.
You hear all the field just get in, and if we do take this out, stop loss is going to be 40 pips.
Entry on futures 2511.3.
.2 actually.
Okay.
And if we close above this minor resistance 25, that's it. On to New York session. Go for the pills, up move, nice. If you took the bias, congratulations. What do I think about downfall? I mean, that's a good question. Well, let me ask you this: are you talking about him as a person, or his strategy, or you asking based on what happened recently? That would be crazy if none of this supply holds on gold. Wow.
Jesus.
Got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it?
See what the next 5-minute candle is gonna do.
Not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold.
Wait, that's a 15-minute or 5-minute candle.
5.
Oh. Okay, rejected again. What are you gonna do, gold? Looks like this drop is imminent. I'm about to find out.
It's the last thing that I need.
Jesus.
Yeah, the sellers have disappeared. They got all the money they wanted. Well, 2511.4. Looks like this candle is gonna close bullish.
Yeah.
Hit you with the text on XO. My ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol. Just trying to take you way up with a jet go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later. But you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your life, can't slow me down. Don't go far. I take me
Man, it looks like it's just gonna go straight vertical.
Wow. Even the drop to the downside was not like this.
Yeah.
It's no longer 40 pips even if it falls. $50.
Yeah. I'm gonna buy that one and that one. All of it. I need it all. Do you want it though? Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call in my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. And through the struggle, I can see another drought. Yeah, it's not a purse, it's a merge. 6 figures was a goal, now it's 9 or a hearse. Put it work. Used to pull up, not swerve. No time for the snakes, time to put them in the dirt. That's word. I gotta get it, it's in my DNA. You only see the highlights, don't know what it takes. Last year stressing, got no sleep. Now I'm right between the courts, out of nosebleeds. I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call in my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. And through the struggle, I can see another drought. Yeah, same circle, still the same gang. We just get to it, we don't gangbang. Lost some friends, said the same thing. Keep a low pro when we maintain. Find us in a loss somewhere, kicking back. Find you on computers, type it Twitter facts. You lose a follow, throw a Twitter at. I lose $1, bet I get it back. In a win, I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call in my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. And through the struggle, I can see another drought.
If our candle just opened on futures, think if we do check this, I think it's 50 pips. Yeah, it's gonna be 50. See what happens after this 15-minute candle closes.
In my palm, my girl, she know she the one. I put the ice on her hand, I put some ice on her arm. See me shining in the light, know you found me in the dark. Talking how you wanna leave, girl, you made this far. Taking trips overseas, no, I won't be long. We came up from the weeds, now it's top floor. All these big guests on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress, when I make it stretch. Double back to back, then down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin, down with me to the end. That my best friend, that my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine.
Alright, switching to the 15-minute here.
Cake birthday, I can't waste no way, I can't waste no play. My girl, whoa, whoa, son.
2511.7.
My girl, whoa, whoa, came from the rags to rich. Hit the road running, I had to tell her I had to get it. She understood, but she spoiled, so when she get mad, she dip. All these big guests on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back, then down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin. To the end, that my best friend, that my best friend, that my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine. Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. All these big guests on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and I don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back, then down broke, now we rich. Spend it on her, let her spin.
And also, man, looking at the 5-minute, the fact that after I broke this structure on the 5, it just never came back before doing this move. Oh, thank you, got a trade. Thank you. This 15-minute candle will let us know if we need to still wait or end this trend.
Yeah, I like what Gotta Trade said. You know, some people say Abe's got really good patience, but I don't think that does it justice. It's more like he's got really good discipline and work ethic rather than, no, he's patient.
See you tomorrow, Yaslin.
Man, this is such a crazy move. What the fuck's going on?
It's not like under 5 minutes, we don't even have like, a demand to the left. And then you created this support here, no demand. And then you have this crazy move to the upside. Damn, 100 plus. Yeah, Edwin. Yeah, pretty much.
We go forever now. We go forever and ever. You know that I'm a trendsetter. You would say you can do better. No, won't let her. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You would say you can do better. You would say you can do better. I know that I can do better. I'm so in love with the chatter. I'm so in love with my little boo. It was written like a letter. Think I was born with the juice. Think I was born with the sauce. Think I was born a little crazy. Then I turned out to a boss. Gotta go and get it. I keep running up the digits. Lost my mind, I gotta fix it. Kill the beat, cold killing. Need to change the way I'm living. Never sleeping, I'm tripping. This is forever and ever. We live forever and ever, yeah. We go forever and ever. You know that I'm a trendsetter. You would say you can do better. No, won't let her. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You would say you can do better. You would say you can do better. Real hustlers don't sleep. Cat naps all week. On a mission for the green. I've been at it since a teen. No pillow talk, no tea. Out the way, keep it cheap. Shawty told me she a freak. Whap, straight E. We go forever and ever. You know that I'm a trendsetter. You would say you can do better. No, won't let her. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You would say you can do better. You would say you can do better. We go forever and ever. You know that I'm a trendsetter. You would say you can do better. No, won't let her. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You would say you can do better. You would say you can do better. We go forever and ever. We go forever and ever. We go forever and ever. We go
Nice one, Power Family. 5 minute is not looking like this wants to hold. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, you can definitely put your hands up a block, but you might also get knocked the fuck out. So, you know, there's that too.
Hey Danny, how you doing?
Nah, I'm not learning anything. If Abe punches me in the face, I'm not learning shit. I'm gonna wake up confused. I don't know what the fuck happened.
Yeah, Asian session, no setup. London session. See, on the 5 minute, if we just freaking start breaking below this support here, we coming down. Man, at this point, it's looking like the 5 minute supply is a freaking hope for itself. Because man, if the 5 minute supply does not hold, we going here. And if gold does that, man, that's gonna be an insane move. Yeah, they said that we won. We might not see it until New York.
Yeah.
Yeah, Danny. I didn't like the setup on the 5 minute either. 'Cause, man, I sure would have taken this if we had a demand here to the live 25. definitely would have taken the buys. No, no. Forget about this supply. That supply is over with.
We get to it, got it stocked up, popped up, got a hand all rocked up. Like 1 carat, 2 carat, more carats. Sheila cares like a bunny, got a hops up. Don't care for designer, got her own drip. Don't care for the phones, got her own whip. Don't care for the scene, take her own trip. Guarantee is for a bag and she walking. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Girl, do it, do it, do it, do it.
2 more minutes. Oh, it's rejecting.
Sweet Jesus, I just up the price for the features. I can see the fakes and the leeches. I begin to assist a fetus. Pull up at the spot, tire squeal. Got it in my passenger, I told her grab the wheel. Friends hating, told her get out, Jordan Peele. But she rocks with me cause she real, for real. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk, girl.
Oh, that was the first actual big selling since this whole entire move up.
Huh?
That was the first time any like big selling came in through this whole entire move up.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Man, if you sold at the start of London session, you'd be at break even right now.
Wow.
Man.
Very interesting move. See anything on financial juice?
Let me see.
Because this move to the upside is very surprising.
Nothing.
No.
There's just a whole bunch of Euro PMI kind of news. Then there's OPEC for oil output delayed.
Oh, that one is delayed.
Yeah, so they're delaying the output of oil. So I guess US oil is gonna get affected. Man, what the hell is going on with gold? The hell? How do you drop 120 pips and then go up like, how much is this? 140. Like, how the fuck does that happen?
We don't believe enough for London volume. Oh man, he definitely had volume today. Today's volume was even better than yesterday's volume.
Yeah.
Both sides today, both sides. Oh man, I think gold wants higher. Man, YouTube, God bless you all. Thank you guys for hanging around with me. We didn't catch nothing. No sales, no buys. It's okay though. We'll be here again tomorrow. All my links is below in the description. God bless you all. See you guys tomorrow. I'm out of here. All right, Zoom. I'll see you guys during the NY session.
All right. Thanks, Abe.
Relax.
Thanks, Abe.
You're welcome,
See you later.
guys.
Might be later.
Don't forget to cancel your pending.
Man, thank you. I was
really.
I was about to get up too. All right, see you guys. Pretty much. So an hour and 30 minutes, I guess. See you guys later.